As Cardiff City prepare for the start of a pivotal League One season, talk of a potential takeover has eclipsed matters on the pitch. With just weeks until the new campaign begins, speculation surrounding the club's future ownership continues to dominate, and there's no sign of the noise quieting. Initial attention centred on Gareth Bale's American-backed consortium, but focus has shifted in recent days toward a rumoured South American-led group after online chatter intensified. Wales Online reported Bale's bid is just one of three groups actively exploring a move for the club. The other reported angle has captured imagination, not least due to social media activity from Gary Otto, a South African-born, California-based property investor and co-owner of Sutton United. Otto has previously attempted to invest in several clubs, including Leeds United, Coventry City, and Le Havre is now believed to be part of a wider consortium eyeing Cardiff. Despite growing fan intrigue, no formal bids have been submitted. Club sources strongly deny recent rumours that representatives have visited Cardiff City Stadium or met with Chairman Mehmet Dalman, either in the UK or Monaco. They've also refuted claims that takeover talks are stalling transfer activity. Internally, Brian Barry Murphy and Head of Recruitment Paddy Du Bois are pressing ahead with plans. Around 3 or 4 new signings are expected before the window closes, depending on outgoings. Still, any takeover would only be the beginning of a lengthy process. Under EFL rules, prospective owners must pass stringent checks, submit future financial plans and demonstrate the long-term viability of the project, something that could take up to 6 months. Ultimately, the future hinges on Vincent Tan. Whether the Malaysian owner is ready to sell remains to be seen, but until clarity arrives, Cardiff remain a club caught between two realities. One focused on immediate promotion, the other waiting for a new era to begin.